Hello, this is me, Lewis, and I'm back doing another video. And today's video, there's two reasons why I'm trying to do it. Well, first, I've got a fidget cube and a fidget spinner. And second, Eli's done a video about his fidget spinner. And it looks cool, so I decided to do a video about my fidget spinner and my fidget cube. So I'm going to get my fidget cube out ready first. Let's go that way. So this is the fidget cube. There's lots and lots of different. So basically it's a cube, and then there's a little bit like it. If you like going on your PlayStation a lot, and like you could have this, I guess, and you could go on the pretend you're on PlayStation. And this here is a bit like where you can click. Like it feels quite good clicking it. I don't know why. This is a bit where you can spin. So, and then these are buttons here, and then the little clicky thing where you can roll it too. And then these bits where you can spin. And that's basically the fidget cube. Let's put that here. And then this is the new trend, and everybody wants one. So this is the fidget spinner. So basically fidget spinners are really popular, and they're getting banned in lots and lots of schools. And you can do lots of cool tricks with them. Like I don't know if you see. Go to do that. And then and like you can get black ones, and if you look on Eli's video, he's got like a light in the dark, but when you click this and it lights up. Eli's got more, but I'm gonna get this really cool one, what I'll probably show you in the next video. Might be in the next video. Actually no, the next video is gonna probably be on Friday because Eli's coming round, so our next video might have Eli in, and we're probably gonna show you his fidget spinners, try to do the best. And then, if you can see here, spin on tables. Basically, some people can't do it. Oh no, they can't do it though. Okay, no, maybe I can do it for a bit. And yeah, and then you're supposed to do it with one hand. It's quite hard, I guess. I have to like put it in here, I guess. This is just going to be a short video, so I'm going to end it like in a minute. So then, maybe like comment down below if you think the fidget spinner is better, fidget spinner is better, or the fidget cube. And my fidget cube actually came from England. And it's quite a nice box too, look. Oh, I have to quickly do this. Also with the fidget cube, it gives you like a little booklet of what they all do. That. And if you do want to look at this, quickly pause the video. And I think that's upside down. Quickly. Oh no, that's upside down. Quickly pause the video if you want to look. This. So I'm going to have to end the video here. I'm sorry, but it's just a little video today. So I'll see you later. Bye!